Hello and welcome to the first of what I hope will be a few videos of our latest excavation. Bit of a contrast to Chapelle d'Ombré that I filmed a year ago and the year before that. We're now in town at the back of the site in the Canichers that was demolished. Has been demolished over the last few months. There were a couple of houses stood there. They've been derelict for a very long time, and about, getting on for 20 years ago, my predecessor Heather did an excavation in what was then the back gardens and uncovered, I'm going to just try and film the photograph taken from the same point, come into focus, found a stone cairn in what could be exposed in the back of these houses, and it was never fully understood. We still don't know what date it is, but it's clearly man-made and of interest. And after over 15 years since that excavation finished, we're now finally back in here. We've got 4 weeks in here to sort of sort out what's going on, and it's not the most pleasant of sites to work in. It's much better than it was a few weeks ago, but the pigeons are still mostly still hanging around, and they've had 20 years plus to breed and die in great numbers in here and do all the other stuff that pigeons do. So one thing this film can't convey is the smell, although the smell is actually a lot better than it was now that the site is all open again. So the cairn is down there. It's had a lot of dirt on top of it, obviously come in the last few years, but we've just made a start this morning on extending the trench a little bit. We're starting to get a nice clean section over there, and on that northern end of the site we'll go down onto the top of the cairn and then dig a section through it and see what we get. So hopefully there'll be some more interesting stuff to come in the next few days.